Hi everybody. I wanted to fill you guys in on a couple things because I haven't posted in, I don't know, almost a week. The day that I am filming this, I have been in Hawaii for 26 days, so almost an entire month, which is crazy. If you hadn't heard already, I got a night job. I'm serving at a restaurant in town, which is super great. And because of this, I have been very busy and very preoccupied. If you don't know what woofing is, or you want to get caught up on everything I'm up to, go watch my Q&A, because I talk a lot about woofing and all of that stuff. So that is my day job, and now I have a night job on top of it. So I've been very busy working a very full-time schedule for the first time since like 2016, basically. It feels good to get back into it. I've been very, very happy. I'm starting to feel insanely, I don't know, at peace or in alignment, just positive all around. My energy levels are super high. I have a kind of a raspy voice right now. I'm not quite sure why. I feel great, so I'm not quite sure why my voice isn't really up to par, but hopefully that sorts itself out sooner than later. I'm working a lot of doubles, and I had a day off recently, which I ended up spending with a few coworkers of mine, so I'm making friends out here, which is great, but it is taking me away from all of you. So I wanted to post this video just to buy me some time, but also it's just something I've been meaning to do, and I thought, well, this might be a fun little challenge for myself. And that is, I'm gonna show you guys a little trip I took back in October of 2016. It was gonna be one of my very first vlogs, and I just never made it, but I still have all the footage from it, and I've been meaning to edit it. So that is what is so fun and challenging about this, is because the way I film today, you know, after over a year of making videos, is totally different from the way I filmed in the first couple months of me vlogging. So basically I'm taking footage where I didn't know what I was doing, and I'm gonna try and edit it into a good vlog. So it could suck, but I want to share it with you guys anyway because it was such a fun trip. It was my friend Mundo and I going to a tiny house expo in Wisconsin, and again, this was October of 2016. I felt like editing a vlog. I really wish I had been filming a vlog, but I haven't had the time or really done anything worth vlogging. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna show you guys my little adventure from 2016, so I don't know, it's gonna be kind of sad, but I'm gonna do my best. And yeah, just wanted to update you guys on why I haven't posted in a while, and I do promise that I am actively pursuing some more videos for all y'all. I just need the time to really sit down and write out some stuff before filming, and then I gotta find the time to film it. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy this. Again, don't expect a lot out of it because it could suck. And if you're not interested at all, at least you are now updated on my life. This is it. Enjoy. Hey guys, I've got the weekend off and we're going to the Tiny House Expo. And I just bought these sunglasses. I cannot get this plastic stuff off, but it's so sunny out that I'm just gonna own it. Gonna go pick up Mundo, and we're going on a road trip. What do you think of my van?
It's awesome.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I can't wait to sleep in it.
Good. of the road trip, a hobbit house. What am I paying you for? Oh, I'm so excited! Wine Haven! So excited.
Look at this parking lot.
Oh, okay, that makes it easy.
We're trying to record a vlog here.
Hey guys, this is Mundo.
Hi.
We just finished we just finished our first experience at a winery. We are at
First time.
Wine
Haven. Wine Haven.
Wine Haven. This is the best part about road trips. You can literally do whatever you want. I mean, we have no obligation to get to our destination on time if we don't want to get there on time, and that's exactly what's happening. We're about to hit up the expo, even though it's ending very soon, so hopefully we'll make it in time. But we're going to Tiny House Expo!
Tiny House Expo!
Woo! Tiny House Expo!
Tiny House Expo.
Come on up.
Ow!
I bumped my head.
Yas, queen!
Ow! But there are multiple sightings, multiple clowns. We could make it into a horror video.
Yes. Scary. They scared.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Oh my god, I can't see. I can't see. Hey guys.
We're lost.
I don't have a front-facing flash. At least I don't know how to turn it on.
Send help. We're lost in Detroit, Wisconsin.
So
I can't see anything.
okay, so we got to our campsite. Stop shining. Okay, we got to our campsite kind of late.
Oh,
we just went on a hike. It was amazing.
Hey baby, wanna give us a ride?
We're walking back to our campsite. We're gonna go get dinner somewhere because we didn't pack any like pots and pans. This is just like a, you know, cash camp.
Soups casually.
I don't remember why I wanted to videotape this. Hey guys, just wanted to check in and let you know that we did it, we made it. We've just been chilling around the campfire. We had some dinner and now we're reading scary stories to each other.
Oh.
So yeah, we're gonna go to bed soon. It's been a really great day, right Mundo?
The best day.
Okay, good night. Good morning. We just woke up from sleeping in my van for the first time, which, by the way, I haven't even mentioned. I got a car. I love it so much, and it's actually pretty spacious in here. Like, for the two of us to sleep in here. Oh! Who comes knocking? We're gonna go on a hike, and then we're gonna go check out a speaker at the Tiny House Expo again, and then, I don't know, whatever we want. The world is our oyster.
Afterwards. So welcome DA.
Good morning everybody. How many people saw their first tiny house here this weekend?